This is my all-time favorite vegan chicken salad sandwich recipe. In this recipe, I'm taking the traditional version, but I'm making it healthier. This one has a perfect combination of ingredients, and you're not going to want this one made any other way. To make this recipe, I have some king oyster mushrooms. These are going to grill down into a small, much smaller than they are now. So it looks like a lot, but after we grill them down, these are much smaller. And I have my seasonings. I have a variety of seasonings in here. I have cumin, paprika, thyme, a little bit of pepper, and sea salted. And on top of the oyster mushrooms, I'm just going to use some coconut amines. It gives it a perfect flavor. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make the chicken salad. So in this, I'm going to put 1 cup of cut up celery, my onion, 1 cup of diced minced onion. I'm going to put some walnuts in here. This is going to give it some really good flavoring. Some cranberries. And the secret to this recipe here is going to be the fennel. So I'm going to put a couple dashes of fennel. And this is my homemade vegan dill cashew mayonnaise. This combines perfectly in this recipe. I'm just going to put a nice little dab of that. Okay, so now we're just going to stir it up. And this is going to be our meat substitute. This is seasoned. It has a perfect flavor, and it pairs perfectly with this chicken salad. Okay, so now I'm just going to add this to the salad mixture, and we're going to mix this one up. We're going to put everything together. I have my vegan mayonnaise. I'm going to put it on some whole grain bread. And the vegan mayonnaise is homemade. It's just with cashews, almond milk. You put a little lemon juice in there, a little salt to taste, and you can put your seasonings of choice. Dill goes really good in this mayonnaise as well. And then I'm just going to put the chicken salad on here. And there you have it. This is a vegan grilled cranberry walnut chicken salad sandwich. This is absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorites.